Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Mujib. Here I would like to continue the presentation of Group 3. This is the part 2 of the presentations. Part 1 explained by Vena Agustina, and the third part will be explained by Safakrita Isania. Yes, in here I would like to explain questions according to the level of abilities in NCTM. In the part 1 we already know the types of level of the abilities in NCTM, and here we would like to discuss about questions according that. The first is problem solving. Problem solving is about the ability to build mathematical knowledge, adapt strategies, reflect on strategies, and apply them to real world context. Yes, I have example. This is a questions about the problem solving. What is the area of circle if the circumference of that cycle is 24 centimeters? From these questions we know given we should find we should find the area of circle if the circumference of the circle is given. First we should find the radius of the circle by circumference is given. When we already found the radius, then we can use it to find the area of the circle. Next ability is reasoning and proof. Reasoning and proof is about the ability to make and investigate conjectures and to develop and evaluate arguments and proofs. I will give this is a question example how you would prove mathematically that the sum of the angles of the triangle equals 180 degrees. Okay, we should prove that the sum of the angles of a triangle equals 180 degrees. This is a mathematical proof, so our reasoning has to be rigorous and convincing. Okay, to prove it, we should draw a triangle on a piece of paper, cut it out, tears off the corner and place these corners next to each other. They always fit on a straight line. As we know that angles on the straight line add up to 180 degrees. Then we can deduct that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle also equals 180 degrees. This will always be so for any triangle. Next, the ability is communication. Communication is about the ability to communicate mathematical thinking clearly and to analyze and evaluate others' thinking and strategies. This is an example of questions. A student looking at global population figures remarks that between the years 1950 and 2010, the global population can be modeled by the equation 300y equals 23t minus 44,180. If the t greater than or equals to 19 and 50 and t less than or equals 19 and 10, where y is the global population in billions at the start of the year t and t is the year. The questions explain the inequality t greater than or equals 19 and 50 and t less than or equal 20 and 10 that follows the equations, and find the global population at the start of 19 and 60 according to this model. Okay, from this problem we can say that we should communicate about this problem by evaluating and explaining. The inequality t greater than or equals 19 and 50 and t less than or equals 20 and 10 means the interval which is started from 19 and 50 and finish at 20 and 10 based on the model of the population. When we find the global population at the start of 19 and 60, we can substitute this interval to the model so that we can get the global population. Okay, next, the next ability is connection. Connection is about the ability to make and recognize connections among mathematical ideas, including the ability to recognize them outside of the classroom. This is a question. It's known that the price of 5 kilograms of apples and 3 kilograms of orange is 79,000 rupiahs, while the price of 3 kilograms of apples and 2 kilograms of orange is 49,000 rupiahs. The question, the price of 1 kilogram of apple is. Okay, from this problem we should find the price of 1 kilogram of the apples. We should think to connect mathematics concept to real world. So we should change real problem into a mathematical model. This problem must be connected to the concept of linear equation system. The last ability is representation. Representation is about the ability to use numerous representations to organize or communicate a mathematical idea. Questions. A craftsman's products handicrafts as follows. Week 1 produce 30 handicrafts. Week 2 produce 35 handicrafts. Week 3 produce 45 handicrafts. Week 4 produce 40 handicrafts. Week 5 produce 30 handicrafts. Represent this problem into the line diagram. Okay, from this problem we should represent the problem into line diagram to solve this problem. So from this sentence should be changed to be a line diagram. So we change the mathematics sentence into line diagram. It's called representation. Okay, thank you. I think enough. In the part 3 will be explained by Safa Agrita Hilsania. Okay, I think thank you for the part 2. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.